Dear parents, Om Namah Shivaya. I am Preeti and I am special educator at Amrita Vidyalayam. Every week we have different challenges and yes, we have solutions also. So the topic for the week is, what are those 5 things that happy parents are doing for happy parenting? So those 5 things are, first is active listening. Second point is model positive behavior. Third is show empathy. Fourth is practice self-care. And fifth is act like a human. So first, kudos to all the parents. Hats off to you. You are doing a lot of things all together. You are taking care of your kids. You are taking care of the house. You are working. You are taking care of your parents. And everything is happening all together. This is so wonderful. So very well. With the hectic lifestyle, many times it happens that you feel so overwhelmed and you feel so stressed that why only you are the one who is taking care of everything. As a person, as an individual, you also need a break. And this is a key, it's a process. Doesn't matter you are happy or not happy, but you have to keep on doing everything in a very perfect way, otherwise the things will go out of your hands. So whatever I'm sharing today, the five main points, it's all about, it will not make you happy or unhappy, but it will hold on to your sanity. How you can, I will quote a poem, and this is, true listening, total concentration on other is always a manifestation of love, I unquote. So this is actually the reality of the life. And clear communication, active listening always replace misunderstanding in our communication, and it is a way to have a good bond with your loved ones. So basically, when we are talking about active listening, it is something very important. These days our children, they have become so smart, and they tell you, you're not listening to me, aapne meri baat suni hi nahi. And why it happens? Actually, they are not satisfied with your answers, they are not okay with your comments. And it actually happens half of the time. We don't listen to our children, we just hear what they have said. So these two things are very different. So you can always tell them to repeat it if you have not heard it. And टीनेज में ये चीज़ बहुत ही कॉमन होती है कि the children, they don't feel comfortable and they tell us कि I am not going to share this particular thing with my parent because I know they will not understand. And I know as a parent it is so difficult for you to know that the child is saying somebody else that my parents will not understand me. So so how you can avoid this accident? Listen to them, clarify, repetitively ask what you have said. So this will give a child a satisfaction that yes, they are listening to me, and if you will listen to them, they will feel trusted, they will feel valued, and they will come and tell you everything by themselves. Second point is model the positive behavior. So always model what you want to see to stop the behavior you don't want to see. Dear parents, you are already a role model for your child, because children, they explore their surrounding and they pick up everything what is happening in the immediate surrounding. कभी कभी आप अमेज हो जाते हो, ये बात इसने कैसे बोली या कहाँ से सुनी. Actually, children, they are watching you, they are looking your behaviors, your action, your responses, and your reactions also. So they will also act in the same way, and this is how we learn the language. You don't take your child to the speech therapist or a language pathologist. You just you just speak to your child. You talk to each other, and the children, they pick up the language. So what you can do is, parents show respect to yourself and for others. Practice positive communication skills. If you are angry also, please use wise sentences, wise words. Keep a positive outlook towards your life, the hardship in your life. Always teach your child the value of the health. And very, very important, you also learn to manage your anger. The third point is show empathy. I understand this is very difficult when your child is misbehaving in front of you, and that time it is very difficult to be empathetic. But yes, you need to learn it. When you show your child that you are understanding them and you are respecting their needs, so they make a good bond with you. They get motivated, and they also develop a self-esteem, and it also builds a trust between you two. To be empathetic, we need to use a platinum rule, not a golden rule. So what is this golden rule? So this golden rule is treat others the way you would like them to treat you. And this platinum rule is treat the other the way they want or they need to be treated at that particular time. So you use a platinum rule always. I would suggest you to use statement with I, not with you. For an example, you were yelling, तुम चिल्ला रहे थे, तुम मेरी बात नहीं मान रहे थे. This is something very negative, and the children, they don't like it. So how you can reframe it by using I is always more empathetic. For example, you can say, I know you are upset, but when you yell and talk over me, so I think that you are not listening to me. And sometimes the children, they just want that you should listen to them. They don't want to fix the situation. They really want to listen to them. So please have a big heart and listen to them. Fourth point is self-care. Self-care is something very important for you. Self-care, actually, it leads to a better parenting. Self-care, for example, I will give you so I know parenting is exhausting, and mothers especially, they are not getting time to groom themselves, to take care of themselves, and many times they compromise on her needs. The mothers, they will do everything for everyone, but sometimes they will ignore their needs. So mothers, I'm telling you, this is something not okay, and you have to take care of yourself. I will give you an example. On aeroplane, you must have heard it. It is an announcement. Okay? In the case of emergency, please wear your mask, and then help your child to wear their mask. So basically, जितनी अच्छी तरह आप अपना ख्याल रखेंगे, उतनी ही अच्छी तरह आप अपने बच्चों की नीड्स को फुलफिल कर पाएंगे. So you have to be your priority. A healthy and happy parent will understand the children better. So please take care of your mental health, your physical appearance, dress up, and talk to your friends. Go out for lunch without your children. It is also important sometimes. And another point, when you take care of your needs, basically you are teaching your children that take care of yourself and others too. And fifth, very, very important point, act as a human being. So what is the purpose of life? So purpose of life is just to be happy. Have a happy life and live your life with dignity. And this is why we have born as a human being. So love, smile, appreciate others, appreciate yourself. You're putting a lot of effort. Be grateful, and make friends, have fun, and always remember that if you are committing any mistakes, it's okay. It's okay. You are not a superhuman. आपको किसी प्रोएक्टिव रेडियो एक्टिव स्पाइडर ने नहीं काटा है. आपको you are not from a different planet who is a superhuman planet, and you have come from there on earth, so you are not a superhuman. So it is very important, take care of yourself. It's okay if you are not able to do the things out of your boundaries. It is completely all right. But whenever you are having any issue or concern related to your child, always seek help. Come to the teacher. We are there as a counselor. We are there in the school. You can come, you can take appointment, and you can have a meeting with us. So basically, what is important to maintain your sanity, and this will give you a peace. This will give you a satisfaction that you have not shouted at anybody. You are okay, you're not feeling sad, and whenever you have problem, we are there. So please don't hesitate, and you can call us anytime. Om Namah Shivaya.